Roland has a question. In Q&A 13, a berm-swale system for flat properties is mentioned, and I'm very interested in this technique. It is very hard to find examples of these in my searching of the internet. Can we delve deeper into this? Are there references you can recommend which my searchings has not turned up? Well, our original Green in the Desert project was on flat country, and we put in 1 kilometre of swales, 7 swales across 10 acres. And like this one, which is in our bottom valley in the main valley at Zaytuna Farm, they're very wide and shallow usually. A little bit severe on the back cut there, needs to taper that off really. But so sloped in a bit on the back cut, flat, below grade, so going down below grade, and then a very wide shallow berm. That's all you need. So the berm that I'm sitting on is still higher than the top of the back cut there. So when this fills, it floods back over the land behind. Now if I built a higher mound here, it would flood back further and further when it was totally full. So they're wide, shallow, and the mound is usually wide and low. And that's about it. If you look at our original Green in the Desert video, you'll see a grader putting them in. We put this in with an excavator here because it was part of an earthworks course. But usually if there's no rock, usually a road grader puts them in very, very fast on flat country. And they're incredibly effective, and they're very good value for money as far as, money spent to volume of water held, spread and soaked.